Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Zadar Grey. Starting our journey from the front, we will find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, we'll see further contrasting features, all courtesy of the black exterior pack, such as your black bonnet louvers and your black roof rails, as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you'll also notice your rear privacy glass as well as your rear LED tail lights. Opening your powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, perfect for luggage for a week away or even a canine companion. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony perforated grey and leather seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory electric heated front seats, ensuring comfort and quality on any length of journey. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer and your speed. Moving over now to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera. You'll further be able to access climate control functions from within your entertainment screen, as well as heated seat functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Velar, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.